Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is action. It's time to get up and put some walk behind that talk, some bite behind that bark. There's a lot of things that we've been speaking about our evolution, the things that we're going to do, what we want to do. At this moment, it's time to start laying the first bricks. The foundation it's time to continue to build. It's time to actually put into action all of our words so our 7D, our dreams can come to the reality and be seen in the 3D. It's your moment. You're blessed for this. My divine action incites love, harmony, and I'm aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desires manifest light. Transform test into growth, challenge opportunity, and fear into love. Therefore, I become stronger, wiser. I can maintain and draw in bigger blessings and manifestations, and it's all coming your way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.